Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock an available iPhone using iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius. Firstly, you need to get this program on your Windows computer. Just go to iSunshare official website and download it directly. It will take you a few minutes. Once downloaded, go to Install and launch it. Then select Unlock Lock Screen option on the main interface. And click on Start button to unlock your iPhone. Now you need to connect the unavailable iPhone to your PC. Oh, make sure to put the iPhone into recovery mode before it is connected. Then go back to the software and click on Next button. Once detected the iPhone, click on the blue button and download the latest firmware of your iPhone. When the firmware is downloaded successfully, you can click the Unlock button. iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius will start to unlock your iPhone without passcode. The whole process will take about 10 minutes. When it shows unlock screen successfully, your iPhone will restart and now you can set it up as a new iPhone. That's all for the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome content and comment down below if you have any questions.